So guys, my Indomie is done. So this is the time for me to serve it, although. So thank you for watching, and please don't forget to share this video, leave a comment, like, and that is it. Thank you so much, and guys, see you in my next video. Bye. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, you're highly welcome. All my new subscribers, like, you guys are so wonderful. Like, I'm seeing all new people subscribing to my channel. I'm so happy about this. Okay, so also this video you're about to watch now, make sure you share it with friends. Share it, make sure you share it, leave a comment, like this video, and please, if you're new, you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Click that red button and subscribe to my channel. I thank you all, my old subscribers, everyone. I thank you all. So let's go straight to the point. So in today's video, I'm just going to be making a simple recipe. That's I'm making Indomie, vegetable Indomie. Yes, let's just call it vegetable Indomie. Yeah, so you know I love vegetable a lot, and vegetable is good. It's good for your health. It's always good for you to know what is good for you to eat and look fresh. So I'm making vegetable Indomies today. So I'm going to be showing you guys all the whole ingredient I'm going to be using. And again, please, I hope everyone is safe where you are. Stay at home, please. Make sure you don't go where there is so much crowd, you know, and also make sure that whatever you're doing, eating, always wash your hands, always make sure your environment are clean. Okay, so guys, stay tuned. Let me show you what I have for this Indomie, this vegetable Indomie that I'm about to prepare. Yeah, just stay tuned. My oil has heated up the way I want, so I'm just going to be adding first onion. I'm gonna be adding a little bit of onion. Yeah, now I'm adding my fresh tomato. You have to be careful when you're adding this, because I just stir it together. I want everything in this Indomie to be fresh. My onion, I didn't add all the whole onion. I still have a leftover onion that I'm going to be adding when I finish all the whole thing, because I love my onion to be fresh. Yes, onions is good when it's fresh. So now I'm just going to be adding my Indomie. Everything is going to be fresh. I don't like frying too much, or fry is not good, except when it's necessary. Now I'm adding my, not this one now, the Indomie seasoning. Yeah. So I'm going to add a little bit of water to it now. My Indomie is doing well, so the next thing I'm going to be doing is to add my fish. So now I'm just going to cover the Indomie to cook well. I'm still going to be checking on it, but I'm just going to cover it to cook about 2 to 3 minutes. I'm back to check the Indomie. Okay. So now this is the time for me to add all the whole vegetables that I have for this Indomie. First, I'm going to be adding my carrot and sweet corn. Yeah. Now I'll be adding my hot dog. Yeah, I didn't fry my hot dog because I don't want it fried. You can choose to fry your own if you want to. I'm using a lot of hot dog. Yes, because I love hot dog a lot. My vegetable pepper. Everything is going in now. Yeah. So this is the time for me to stir, to mix everything together. And again, my leftover onion, I almost forgot. This is the way I love my Indomie. Seriously, if you try this, you're gonna thank me. You're gonna come back and thank me. Because this is really nice. Because I don't like my Indomie when you prepare it and everything is just so dry. No, I don't like it. So I'm just going to stir everything together and make sure that everything is well combined. You can see how yummy this Indomie is looking. I'm done mixing everything together. I'm done stirring it. So I'm just going to cover it and allow it to cook for some minutes. So I'm just going to be leaving it to cook for some minutes. So guys, my Indomie is done. So this is the time for me to serve it, although. So thank you for watching, and please don't forget to share this video, leave a comment, like, and that is it. Thank you so much, and guys, see you in my next video. Bye.